And now, it's time for another Birds on the Beargrass. Be sure to like, subscribe, and watch until the end to learn how to attract these birds to your feeder. In this episode, we will be learning about the house wren, one of the hundreds of species of birds that migrate along Beargrass Creek every year.
This is the house wren, a popular sight in this area of northern Kentucky. The bird is common over the entire Western Hemisphere. The house wren spends its time in low tree branches and shrubs in search of insects. Their small nests can be found in all kinds of nooks and crannies, such as a loft or garage.
These birds are small and compact, with short wings and a long tail. They're plain looking with brown feathers all over. They're very energetic, often bouncing along the ground under bushes and shrubs. Their song is described as cheerful with a trilling sound. Ooh, look at his throat.
It's saying.
What that throat do?
House wrens thrive in open forest, the forest edge, and areas with scattered grass and trees, such as farmyards, suburban yards, and city parks. When it's cold, they hide in thick and brushy thickets and hedges.
6 or 7 eggs are laid about twice a year. The eggs are white with reddish-brown dots and take 12 to 15 days to hatch. In just another 12 to 18 days, the younglings are ready to leave the nest.
If you notice the beak, that's the mouth, and that's where the food goes in.
House wrens have one of the largest ranges of songbirds, from Canada throughout the West Indies, Central America, and all the way south throughout South America.
Wrens can add spider egg sacs into their nesting materials to combat mites and other parasites that feed on house wren nestlings.
The way they move all erratically kind of freaks me out.
Notice the shape, the perfect silhouette.
They're very round birds. They're short and stubby.
Good for cupping in your hands, but don't try to do that to the birds. They don't like that.
Oh God, that's loud. There he goes. They just hide in the bushes and scream at you all day.
Despite their small size, they can behave very aggressively, even to the point of dragging eggs and young out of desirable nest sites, occasionally killing even full-grown adult birds.
To attract house wrens to your own yard, offer a diverse range of food like flower buds, fruit, seeds, nectar, saps, and insects. These birds love a large variety of native plants and shrubs such as spicebush. Check out our videos and articles on spicebush at beargrassthunder.com.
These birds prefer a variation of low-growing vegetation near thickets of shrubs and taller trees. To attract house wrens year-round, select a variety of plants that produce foods throughout all different seasons. Winter-bearing plants are a vital food source for these species.
Oh man,
World star.
he's really attacking. There's some slow-mo. Oh, he's dive bombing. He's really dive bombing while the squirrel is still like actively grabbing his nuts. He's just like mildly inconvenienced.
The bird wants the seeds that the squirrel has pollinated.
I'm not sure if the squirrels are pollinators.
Not with that mindset.
And this has been another episode of Birds on the Beargrass. Please like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and check out our website at beargrassthunder.com. And please consider supporting us on Patreon. For as little as $3 a month, you can help us continue creating Kentucky-centric content to help you learn how to improve your local community and ecosystem. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.